Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we are in Whitstable. Now we're taking a look at a beautiful detached double-fronted Victorian property here, which has been the subject of an extensive refurbishment over the course of the last few years. Now the current owner has done a wonderful job in creating a beautiful mixture between modern and characterful living here with the property. Coming straight through into the front entrance hallway here, first thing you notice on the floor there are those wonderful mosaic Victorian tiles, and looking back at the door you've got all of that gorgeous stained glass here as well. Coming through to one of the first reception rooms in the property, this is the front snug here. We've got that beautiful bay window with of course that gorgeous period style Victorian radiator, and it's wonderful to see that the fireplaces have been brought back to life with the property. Now you do have exposed wood flooring in places, which again creates that wonderful sense of warmth and character, and of course all of the fireplaces here have been updated and adapted and either refurbished or of course have some wonderful new additions. So we'll take a look at those items as we go throughout, but of course you can see that the access throughout the entire ground floor of the property so far is really open. When we go to the rear of the property into the kitchen breakfast room, you'll see that we do have a far more opened plan sense, and coming through into the lounge here you can see a huge expanse of space. Really nice big bay window there at the front, real focal point of the room with that beautiful fireplace there again on the left hand side. You can see of course coming through the double doors and into the kitchen and breakfast room you have that beautiful separation of the spaces to create that sort of library look, which again creates that wonderful opulent sense to the property. So we'll go and have again another little look at what we have here on the ground floor before going into that kitchen breakfast room and taking a look at what we have in there. So here we are in the kitchen breakfast room here, and you can see we have a beautiful kitchen with of course the wonderful access out into the rear garden. Now of course the garden space here with the property is absolutely fantastic, and we'll go through and take a look at that a little bit later on. But what an important space to have all of this natural light flooding through and into. Of course you've got that beautiful ceiling light there that just lets all of that light cascade straight down into the space, and it really does flow throughout the entirety of the back of the property. Now just on the left hand side here we do have some really convenient spaces. We've got not only the utility room, but we've also got the walk-in pantry, the plant room, and the access to the integral garage as well. So it's nice that all of the utilities are safely tucked away on one side of the property, so it does keep the rest of the property nice and quiet. You can see there just ahead we've got the access out into the rear garden, and the utility room itself is a really good size and offers you plenty of storage and worktop space. So let's go through now and take a look at the last of the reception rooms here on the ground floor of the property. Really nicely tucked away bit of space here in the family room. You do of course have that feature window there at the rear, and of course that beautiful skylight again letting all of that natural light just flood through. But this does work fantastically well as a study or a music room, or perhaps a library. Whatever you'd like it to be, you can do that. Now what we're going to do next is just take a quick look at the cloakroom here just in the internal lobby, and then go upstairs and take a look at the main family shower room and of course the bedrooms. So starting our tour upstairs, we're going to come straight through into the shower room, and again the character oozes through. You can see wonderful tiles there on the wall with the loo and the sink unit and that corner shower unit as well. Coming through now into bedroom number 3, you can see again beautiful exposed wood flooring with of course that lovely big window there to the rear, and again gorgeous fireplace and radiator. Really nice tall ceilings up here I might add as well, so wonderful amounts of space. And just taking a quick look here, you do have access out there onto the roof from the rear just from the hallway space upstairs. Now coming through into the master bedroom, again beautiful double-sized room with the view there just overlooking the rear garden, and of course you do have the dressing room and the ensuite here as well. So dressing area there on the right hand side, absolutely fantastic. Nice little internal lobby space here as well, and coming through into the ensuite, it's absolutely gorgeous. You've got the detached shower unit there as well, focal point to the room with that bath as well. Beautiful windows at the side, letting all of that natural light flood through, and of course you've got the loo and the sink unit there as well. So beautiful way to finish this really nice sized ensuite. Come down the corridor now and take a look at bedroom number 2. Now bedroom number 2, again, fantastic size room, windows there at the front and at the side, again giving you that wonderful dual aspect in here. And of course you do enjoy some beautiful views across the rooftops here in Whitstable and across to Tankerton, and you do have some far-reaching views across to the seafront. So beautiful position. Of course we're on Gloucester Road here, so you really do straddle the line between Whitstable and Tankerton, which gives you the best of both worlds. Fantastic location with easy access to both. Now up here on the top level of the property, you'll see that we have again 2 fantastic size rooms, plenty of storage here and plenty of room for the double bed, and the beautiful Velux windows, again letting all of that natural light flood through and giving you a wonderful view. So up here, 2 bedrooms, and we've got the shower room in the middle. So I'll leave you for a few moments to take the space in now before going out into the rear garden, seeing what we have there and recapping a few points on today's tour. So here we are in the rear garden where we're going to start wrapping up today's tour. Of course the garden itself, beautiful size, and of course it does come with this really convenient off-road parking to the rear with the gated access. So really nice bit of private space here to use as you wish. So I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at this beautiful detached Victorian residence with us today, presented to a beautiful standard and located in a fantastic convenient location. So again, please give us a call if you have any questions, and don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.